Alright, so we're going to the Halong Bay Viewpoint. Yes, just entered the park. I guess this is it. And there's the stairs, and we did not buy any water. No, because we thought it was a bus going up. Alright. So we're entering the stairs to Halong Bay. It's gonna be a long walk. Oh, it's big steps too. Okay, so we're up 2 sets of stairs and Jens wants to go back down.
Not built for this.
The entry fee to the viewpoint was 100,000 dong.
And on we go.
So we're here working those squats. It's a pain right now, but I think it will pay off in the Philippines.
So, last stretch.
Oh yes. We're almost there, guys. Almost. This may be our last vlog. So I hope someone will find the camera.
It's a tough walk, but if you're not in that good shape, you can just take it slowly and it's no problem.
And we made it.
This is maybe kind of annoying, but would you mind taking a picture of me? Is it okay?
Take one of you?
Yeah, I want to meet with like this in the bathroom.
Sure. Yes, it's a lot easier to come down.
Yes.
Get up.
And if you are sweating a lot, I would recommend jogging down. As it seems like you're in a better shape. So we're walking up on the second viewpoint, but it seems like we're the only ones sweating, so it's kind of a little embarrassing to be in this bad shape, but especially when you see these 70 years old ladies going faster. But yeah, we're getting to the top.
So depending on how fast you walk, you can expect to spend 30 minutes up to an hour on this viewpoint. Okay, we've been to both the tops. Now, first this one, crazy one, and now this small one.
Yeah.
And now we're going to try to not fall all the way down again.
And find some food.
And find some food.
Here we have some beautiful drone footage of our Ninh Binh and the characteristic mountains of Vietnam. And also here you can see us standing on the second viewpoint.
So Jens has now decided to wear skinny jeans and walk around like... Yeah, it's a beautiful place.
Yeah.
Hi doggy! Walking back to our scam parking spot.
Or tactical business plan.
Yeah.
So you can park right with the mountains,
Yeah.
but when you drive into this area, there is this woman asking where you're going,
Yeah.
and you tell her you are going here. Then she would say yes, and you drive straight and to the left,
Yeah.
which is the opposite direction of.
No, it's the same direction.
Yeah, but
by the end there is some people saying, come here, parking.
yeah.
But if you're smart, you can drive 150, 200 meters further.
But we stands all the way back there.
Yeah, by that car.
Yes. So yeah, it's a really
Pretty smart.
work through plan.
Yeah,
So
it's a good one.
it's multiple people involved in their plans. So it's hard to not get tricked when you're not very known in the area. So
Yeah, familiar.
yeah, familiar.
Oh.
Oh, ducks.